Hi, I'm Mary. Welcome back to Tuesday Teachable Moments. What is a teachable moment? Welcome back, Edelkampers, to another Tuesday Teachable Moment where we explore, experience, and educate together. I wanted to come to you today and just to explain a little bit about the Tuesday Teachable Moments and who I am. My name is Mary, of course, and I am full-time RV with my husband Fred, and we go all over the United States. And the reason I started Tuesday Teachable Moments is that I wanted to give back to the community, the nomad community. So when I was teaching, there was something called a teachable moment. You might be working on a curriculum and then all of a sudden, aha, something pops up into your life that really is amazing to share with your child. And so that you go ahead and break what you're doing and you teach that. And what I want to do and share with you are these moments that I see when I'm hanging around the campground or doing everyday things. When I see an aha teachable moment, I want to bring them to you. And what I want to do, though, is to use nature, because we all came out here for one reason or another, and one of the main reasons is to be closer to nature. So all the teachable moments that I share with you are going to be things that are involved with nature, as well as things that I can get out of my rig and not have to go to the store, that things that I might have every day. So when you're looking at the teachable moment, they're just going to be little tips and tricks that you can use to enrich your child's education. So I hope it's helpful, and I always look forward to suggestions, comments, and ideas, and if you have any, put them below. And I hope that you keep returning to Tuesday Teachable Moments.